If you're one of the many homeowners who are now using air-powered pneumatic tools around the home and yard, you may have discovered you now have a storage problem. You have the compressor, air hose, tools, fasteners. Where do you store them all? Well, first, I recommend keeping them all in one place. For storing the hose, the air hose itself, go out and get yourself a plastic hose reel. This is designed for holding a garden hose, but it works great in the shop as well. On the back is a keyhole slot, so I started one screw and I'm going to slip a wood shim on there, and I'll explain why in a minute. Then simply put the screw through the hole and tighten it up. Okay, straighten it out a little bit. Then put one more screw in the top, just to keep it from spinning around. There we go, nice and secure, just 2 screws. Now I have a place to store the hose. It's readily accessible whenever you need it. And for the tools themselves, you can store in the shelf. But because this is designed to be stored outside, this shelf is pitched down so water runs off. That's not a problem indoors, right? So that little shim tips it back so your accessories and tools can stay in there without sliding off.